Okay, that's gonna be the thumb. Alright guys, so welcome back.
So today we're gonna be making some DIY Gucci slide.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
And necklaces. So get ready and we'll just jump right in.
Okay.
Not just dipping the toes, there's a cannonball. Okay.
First we gotta paint our slides.
So here's, let's do this in a series of steps. Step 1 to make your own homemade Gucci slides. Get a pedicure or ask them for these
shoes.
Next step, paint them black, like Glenn's
paint it.
soul. Love you, buddy.
Already got a little. Be so careful not to get it on the table though.
It'll come off its craft
Oh
paint.
yeah.
Be so careful.
Okay, so now that your slides are black,
Take a break.
right.
Necklace time, baby. Time to make our necklaces. So
I don't know how to do this.
alright, so step 1, measure your neck. You want it tight, but not too tight. Okay. It's sticking to my eyes. Here's my size. Size doesn't matter, you guys, okay? Whatever size you are, own it. Whether you're a man, you have
What? You get it off.
it's not coming off.
Why
hope our neighbors come out.
Wait, watch.
Why won't it
Oh,
come
you
off?
got it. Okay, so basically,
What are we gonna put on our necklaces today?
I'm putting cis.
Sis.
Sounds like cyst isn't
Like, not
Cis.
CYST.
Ew.
I wish we got a bowl or something.
Well, we're just gonna have to make do with what we have.
You should do sister shook
Yes. I'm doing that one.
or sis shook.
Me too.
I want
Da.
to do sister.
I'm doing cis.
Oh, I like that.
Sister.
And I'm gonna put a heart in between sister and
Wait, that's
shook.
so cute.
Sister shook. Sorry, this is kind of boring, but we'll just show you the finished product. Basically, we're making a necklace that we both have. It's like a twins girl necklace.
Cute. Ooh, maybe I'll do a bracelet instead. I'd wear a bracelet more. Like I wouldn't take it off.
How's this? Does it read Sister Shook?
No.
Crap.
You have to like. Do it that way. Did I spell sister right? S-I-S-T.
Sister shock.
Do you like it?
You like to
It's gonna be uncomfortable.
I know. That's
You know
why
what
I
I'm
think
saying?
we're gonna do bracelet, or I'm gonna do a bracelet.
Me too.
instead of-
It's good. I put this on my neck and didn't like it.
So actually, I might do one of these on each side.
They have to be the same. Both of us do because
Yeah.
we're the same.
In the same.
You're one in a million. Okay. Hooks. Oh, these are fun. Will it fit on our string? like the most boring thing of all time, and I'm sorry. We'll come back after the finished product.
So now we're going to make the Gucci-ness of our Gucci slides. I honestly don't know what Gucci-ness of our Gucci slides means, but let's just go with it.
We're starting in the middle, so the colors go from inside to outside. Red, green, black. Yeah.
You're just so much farther ahead than I am.
Got this, boo-boo.
Why are you having so many issues? I don't know. I'm freaking sweaty. Are your hands slippery? We're having a slippery sister? Yeah, we have a slippery. We have a slippery sister. Absolutely. Slippery sister.
I can't see the camera. I'm not sure where to look. I only see light shine bright everywhere we go. So here's the finished product. It should, yeah,
Stab your feet until you
These might like feel better if they're on your foot. Ow! Did you see that?
Yes.
It's on her thing!
Get out of here! I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Get out of here! It's filthy. It's under the napkin.
No, it's not.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Right
The
on.
Gucci's are done. We'll show you them on
Gucci gang, Gucci gang,
inside.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Yeah. Oh. Gucci gang. Oh.
That's it
Yeah.
right now, Tina.
Lil Pump. Yeah. Gucci gang. Oh. Yeah.
Big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. Yeah. My bitch love do. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
I'm gonna go put bug spray on because my feet itch so bad.
Super drop top.
Oh, my butt itches.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.